First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the Data Wipe page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the downloaded setup to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To permanently delete a Word file, run the software on your computer. Choose File Shredder and click Add File to select the Word file you want to delete permanently. After selection, the Word file appears in the interface. You can select the Word file added by mistake and click Delete to remove it, or click Add to import more data you want to erase. After that, click Erase Now and click OK to confirm the process.